Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom left, you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it lightly. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, right on that left edge, put one finger in there and then lift up the hood with the other hand. Now this hood is supported by the two hood struts, one and the second one over there. Now let's go ahead and get the cover for the main fuse panel off. This cover is held in place by two clips. Press both the clips at the same time and pull the cover up. Now what we'll do is get the fuse puller from there, get it out. The way it works is the fuse puller gets on the fuse, it sits on it and grabs onto it, and when you pull the fuse puller out, the fuse comes out with it. Now inside the car, let's get the cover off for the secondary fuse panel. Over there, we'll focus on this one that says interior lamp. That's the one right over there. Now very likely the problem is just a bad fuse. So what we'll do is we'll pull the fuse, inspect the fuse. If it's bad, then we have a bunch of spare fuses and we'll just replace it with one of the spare fuses. In my case, the fuse is good. That's why when I pulled it out, the lights just went off. How do I know it's good? Look at the center part. See, mine is not broken. If it's not broken, it's a good fuse, and if it's broken, then it's a bad fuse. And if yours is broken, then good news is we have so many spare fuses. So what we'll do is we'll just get one of the 10 amp spare fuses and always replace that 10 amp with only 10 amp. Do not replace it with 15, 20 or anything else. That will cause a whole lot of other problems. Get this 10 amp spare fuse. Check the center. This is looking good. Let's put it in the original position where the interior lamp fuse goes. And the moment I do so, lights back on. That's about it. When you're done, don't forget to put this cover back on. Just position it this way and then push it to clip it on. Put the fuse puller back in its place. Get the cover back on position and then press it down to secure it in place, and that's pretty much it. In order to close the hood, just grab the hood, lower it and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.